Sparrows. Sparrows are a type of small, seed-eating bird belonging to the family Passeridae. They are found all over the world, with the exception of the polar regions and some tropical rainforests. Sparrows have a plump body, short neck, and small beak that is adapted for cracking open seeds. They have brown or gray feathers with black or white markings, and some species have distinctive head markings, such as a black bib or a rusty cap. Sparrows are social birds and can often be found in large flocks. They build their nests in a variety of locations, including bushes, trees, and even on man-made structures such as buildings and bridges. They typically lay 3 to 5 eggs per clutch and can have multiple broods per year. Sparrows play an important role in many ecosystems as seed dispersers and as a food source for predators such as hawks, owls, and snakes. They are also popular birds for backyard birdwatching and have been domesticated as pets in some cultures. However, some species of sparrows are considered invasive and can have negative impacts on native bird populations. There are over 40 species of sparrows found in North America alone, including the ubiquitous house sparrow, which is an introduced species originally from Europe. Sparrows have a distinctive vocalization that is often described as a chirp or twitter. Some species have more complex songs that can include trills and whistles. Sparrows are omnivorous and will eat a variety of foods in addition to seeds, including insects, fruits, and even small vertebrates such as lizards and frogs. In some cultures, sparrows are seen as symbols of love, companionship, and happiness. They have been featured in art and literature throughout history, from ancient Chinese paintings to Shakespeare's Sonnet 29. Sparrows are adaptable birds and can thrive in a variety of habitats, from rural farmland to urban parks and gardens. The decline of some sparrow populations in recent years has raised concerns about the health of ecosystems and the impact of climate change and habitat loss on bird populations. In some areas, sparrows are considered pests due to their tendency to eat crops and damage gardens. However, they also provide valuable ecosystem services such as pollination and pest control. Sparrows are known for their communal roosting behavior, where hundreds or even thousands of birds will gather together in large flocks to sleep at night. These roosts can be quite noisy and chaotic, with birds jostling for position and chirping loudly. Some species of sparrows, such as the American tree sparrow and white-throated sparrow, are migratory and will travel long distances each year to breed and winter in different areas. Sparrows are often preyed upon by domestic and feral cats, which can have a significant impact on their populations. They are also vulnerable to predation by larger birds such as hawks and falcons. Sparrows are generally monogamous and will mate for life, although some species may engage in extra-pair copulations. Males will often court females with displays of song and flight, and will help to build the nest and care for the young. In some cultures, sparrows have been used as symbols of resilience and perseverance. The story of the sparrow and the cherry tree is a famous Japanese folktale that celebrates the determination of a small bird to overcome obstacles and achieve its goals. Sparrows have been studied extensively by scientists as a model system for understanding bird behavior, genetics, and ecology. They are also used in laboratory research as a model organism for studying a variety of biological processes. Sparrows have a unique ability to adjust their breeding strategies based on environmental conditions. For example, if resources are plentiful and weather conditions are favorable, they may have larger broods and start breeding earlier in the season. However, if conditions are less favorable, they may have smaller broods or delay breeding until later in the year. Sparrows have a high reproductive rate, with some species able to produce up to 3 or 4 clutches of eggs per breeding season. This allows them to quickly rebuild their populations after disturbances or declines. Sparrows are sometimes used as bioindicators of environmental health, as they are sensitive to changes in habitat quality and can be affected by pollution, habitat loss, and other stressors. In some cultures, sparrows are considered a sign of good luck and are believed to bring prosperity and happiness. They have been depicted in art, literature, and mythology throughout history, from ancient Greek pottery to contemporary poetry. The lifespan of sparrows varies depending on the species and environmental conditions. Some sparrows may only live for a few years, while others can survive for up to a decade or more in the wild. Sparrows have played important roles in human history, from being used as food and pets to inspiring poetry and art. They have also been used in scientific research to study a variety of topics, from animal behavior and genetics to the effects of environmental stressors on wildlife populations.